Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to introduce and compare about Makita DC impact gun and AC impact gun. I introduce AC impact gun first. The model TW0350, Watt 400, impact per minute 2000, Voltage 220. Square drive 12.7 mm or 1/2 inch. It weighs about 3 kg and it costs 2 meters. The model maximum torque 350 Nm. Trigger no variable speed. When you push, it's the maximum torque 350 Nm. It uses the carbon brass. It's a little bit heavy than DC type and it's not compact. For the narrow space, it's difficult to use. And if you don't have the electricity, it also cannot use it. If you want to use it, you have to use the generator or use the extension cord. For fastening capacity, M12 to M22 for the standard ball, and the high tension ball M12 to M16. DC impact gun, the model TW004G. This model uses the battery 40V max battery. It has LED. DC impact gun have LED, but AC don't have. It's compact and brushless motor. It's lightweight. It weighs about 1.5 kg, include the battery. It has variable speed on trigger. It has torque adjust. It means impact per minute adjust from 0 to 400. From low to max, and it also have mode auto stop for loosening and for the fastening. Also have the max speed on trigger. Square drive the same, 12.7 mm or 1/2 inch. For fastening capacity, M10 to M20 for standard ball. For the high tension ball, M10 to M16. For me, I will choose DC impact gun, but I think that the price a little bit different because DC is the best. So maybe most expensive than AC type. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model, please comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.